Hi guys, this is Rashid and welcome back. Today I would like to show you one of our good products that we have been providing to the real customer, and it's called Rail Drone. So if you would like to see that and want to know what it is, then let's get started. And here is the Rail Drone. You can think it's like a carrier moving along the rail that you can attach anything on it for any purpose. The one I'm showing here is to use with the camera and speaker, so the drone operator can control this with video streaming and talk to the people in construction area. The drive wheel here has a rubber or O-ring inside for better friction on the rail while moving. The whole unit is powered by the well-known tools Makita battery and just slide in at the bottom. Then once everything is all set, we just switch on the power. We have this tiny gimbal camera so we can control the pan and tilt while it keeps stabilize the video when moving. And we have a megaphone speaker which has loudness as 90 decibel and battery at the bottom for good balance. So you can control this with a radio transmitter. In case of short range, just set the mode to manual, then you can push a stick to make it move. It has an acceleration and deceleration to avoid some impact when sudden stop or start. Normally, we will control this from somewhere else, for example, inside the control room center. Then the operator can move this to see the worker in construction site and give a command by talking to the microphone, and the worker side could hear it from the microphone speaker. Let's remove the cover to see what is inside. Here we have two DC motors with gearbox. Depends on how fast you want, then we can change the gear for it. The red board here is a custom single channel motor driver. We call it ATMD30. The board can talk to the computer with this communication port, and there are pins for S-bus and the PWM control, and also start and stop magnetic switches safety. Then let's take a look inside the bottom cover. There are Raspberry Pi 5 with amplifier shield for the speaker, so the sound will be loud enough. At the back here, there is DC-DC regulator for stable voltage. On the drive unit, there is an idler wheel at the bottom which will support the rail drone not fall off from the rail. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. PCBWay is not only a PCB manufacturer, but they are also specialized in CNC machining. No matter how complicated the part is, with their high experiences, you will get the part as you expected. Also 3D printing with various of filaments, for example, TPU flexible material, which could be used from prototyping project to the real product, and transparent material that you can use for an artwork or functional product. No matter if it's your hobby or your professional project, if you are looking for a place for a rapid prototype, even a single piece or a bulk, so why don't you try PCBWay for your next project? We are here outside at the test field, and we have set up the rail for around 50 meters straight. At first, I would try to drive it by radio transmitter. Okay, so now I'm going to control the rail drone from the web console here and try to speak through the microphone, and then it's going to have a sound on the other side. Here we can control the rail drone from web application, which can access from anywhere within internet access, and move the rail drone by sliding the knob on this slider. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is Rashid controlling rail drone from the web console.
This is Rashid controlling rail drone from the web console. Test 1, 2, 3, 4.
On the camera, we can control the gimbal and zoom up to 5 times, so it will be useful for the operator to see on specific place. We can move on pan and tilt from the buttons on the screen. Moreover, if you have a 3D LiDAR like this one from Levox Mid 360, you can attach this on the rail drone and you can run it to collect point cloud data, so you can see the update of construction area for every day and keep it as 3D data for later analysis. And that's today's video. I hope you guys like it. This video is more like a demonstration of the project. The technology behind this is WebRTC, which I have made a video before explaining about the technique and showing the backbone code. If you would like to see that, I will put the video link on the description below. If you like this kind of video and more interesting project of what we are doing, please don't forget to press like and share buttons. That will help a lot for my channel growing. And there is a super thanks button to buy me an energy drink, and also there is join button to be a membership of this channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.